To all the good men and women who are still single, this message is for you. Because somewhere inside you, a quiet voice asks, why am I still alone? Let me tell you something you may not hear often. You are not behind. You are not late. You are not forgotten by life. Some of the best people stay single the longest because they refuse to settle for average love. Your life isn't paused. You're not waiting for love. You're becoming someone worth loving. This season is shaping you, strengthening you, and healing the parts of you that were once broken. Maybe you've been hurt. Maybe you've been betrayed. Maybe you've been used. But here you are, still standing, still trying, still believing. That alone makes you rare. Good men and good women don't stay single because they're unworthy. They stay single because they're selective. Because they know they bring loyalty, depth, honesty, and heart to a relationship, and they won't give that to just anybody. Your time is coming. The person who will see your value is coming. The one who will look at you and think, how did I get so lucky? That person is on their way into your life. And when they come, you'll finally understand why none of your past relationships worked. You'll thank life for every delay, every detour, every lonely night, because all of it was preparing you for something better. Your future partner will appreciate the version of you that only your single season could build. Your resilience, your independence, your strength, your heart. So don't rush. Don't force connections. Don't chase what isn't meant for you. Life will bring you the right person when your soul is ready, not when you're lonely. Until then, grow, heal, build yourself. And remember, you're not single because something is wrong with you. You're single because your story isn't finished yet. And trust me, your time is coming.